up, guys? And just like I promised in the upload Friday when I did the subscribers rides, we're hitting the Coyote hard today. So back out here at Dover's Garage. I hope you like the upload where I kind of introduced you to Philip. That was a lot of fun, and we did quite a few more shenanigans after the cameras were cut off. Man, that car's fun. But anyway, let's get inside and see what's popping today. And Jeremy hard at work as usual. Scott's car, getting down to the nitty gritty. Jeremy is deep in the wiring of this bad boy, the part that I hate. That's why I suck at it so bad. But we're actually here to do some stuff on my car, so let's get to it. I know this one's kind of work heavy. We're getting some progress made on here. What I've got going so far, just kind of ground these down, smooth these out a little bit so the panels fit better against them. Got this down to bare metal so we can start doing some welding, filling in these holes. Got this area down as well. And like I said before, we're going to take the sheet metal and just kind of just cover these up. And once we flush everything in, you won't be able to see. So just cut out a quick cardboard piece that is essentially going to cover everything, and then I just got to cover it back out of just cut that out of sheet metal and nothing to it. Gonna do that on the other side, and once everything's kind of filled, then we can start the filling and sanding process. So I feel like a fabricator. Do I look cool enough to be a fabricator? No, hold on. Alright, there's my fabricator look. I'm official. Okay guys, so we're getting a little bit closer, and let me just walk you through once again what I did. Got both shock towers kind of just rough prepped. The rough prep is for a couple of things. Number one, I'm going to weld some of the smaller holes, and also we're going to be gluing down the metal panels over these just to cover these holes up. And I got my templates cut out here out of cardboard. That's going to cover up all of those holes. Oops, excuse me, right there. That's going to cover all of those up. We'll use metal bonding adhesive to just put over those. No sweat, nothing to it. Super thin sheet metal, so not a whole lot of flushing will need to be done. Then I've got my template here. Got that cut out. I mean, it's simple stuff. Just need something that's going to cover all of those big holes that we can adhere down to the shock towers. Nothing to it. So I guess what I'm going to do now is try to fill some of these small holes in. It's coming along. It's going to look good. I promise you it's going to look good. You're not ready. Not ready. So that is about what I've got for you today. Unfortunately, it's not very entertaining watching me sand and weld and cut and all that, but making big progress on the engine bay. That's going to come along really good. Scott's car is almost done. Once that happens, my car is going to move up here and definitely get a lot more progress on my 92. Really ready to drive that thing. But anyway, in the meantime, yeah. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Tell your buddies about it. Really like to make this a big channel. And anything you'd like to see, please let me know. And remember, on Fridays, I'm showing off your rides, your videos, stuff like that. So email is in the description. Hit me up with those. And I appreciate everybody supporting the channel. And I'll be back with you tomorrow. Later, guys.